According to the latest report by the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, that is SIPRI, Southeast Asian nations outpaced the regional and global trends in 2020-24 by the significantly increasing of their military spending and weaponry purchases. It states that the religion, tensional and also the spending, especially those in the contentious South China Sea and the China's expanding military might, have also been contributing to these factors and has also led to these trends. Over the past few years, several states in the region have focused on the strengthening of their air power with the cutting-edge multi-role fighter jets. In one such development, there is a speculation that the Vietnam is seriously considering the purchase of the F-16 fighters from the United States. According to reports, the potential purchase is anticipated to include at least 24 F-16 fighter Falcons, and these claims that could not be independently verified, but Euro-Asian Times have reached out to the Vietnamese Ministry of Defense for confirmation, and this report will be updated when we get a response. Also, if the Vietnam goes ahead with the F-16 deal, it could lay the path for the US to tighten its grip on the Indo-Pacific and become its defining partner. It could also mean that the end of Russia's decade-old defense relationship with the Hanoi. Earlier, Vietnam ordered 12 new T-6C Texan II aircraft, a variant of the T-6 trainer, in 2021 amid the thawing of the ties with Washington, and received the first batch of the aircraft in the November last year. This marked the first time since the end of the Vietnamese War that the Southeast Asian state inducted US-made fixed-wing aircraft into the arsenal. Also, being a socialist state, Vietnam traditionally purchased military equipment from the former Soviet Union, which later paved the way for the purchase of the Russian arms. The Vietnamese Air Force is currently composed of the vintage Sukhoi Su-22s, MiG-21, Su-27 and more sophisticated Sukhoi Su-30 fighter jets. It is also required and acquired the Yak-130 jet trainers in 19. Also, however, the relationship with the United States continued to improve. A visible shift in the Vietnamese policy has become apparent. Reports in the October 2023 first indicated that Hanoi was mulling the purchase of F-16 fighters. Also, buying the T-6C Texan II could possibly be a precursor of the acquiring of the F-16, while an F-16 Block 70 to 72 acquisition will be a significant boost to the Air Force. Vietnam is not only the country in the South Asian region modernizing its Air Force.